In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to make use of queue extension. What is queue? A queue is a container of objects that are inserted and removed according to the first in, first out principle. An example of a queue is a line of people at McDonald's. The person at the front will be attended to before the next person, which simply means who came first will be attended to, followed by the next person until the last person that came. This is the flow of a queue. New additions to a line goes to the back of the queue, while removal happens at the front. In the queue, only two operations are allowed, which is enqueued and dequeued. Enqueue means to insert an item into the back of a queue, while dequeue means removing the item from the queue. So that is how queue works. Until the one at the front goes, the next person on the queue will not be attended to. So this is the official queue extension, which supports DB, Redis, RabbitMQ, Beanstalk, and German. We will be taking these supports one after the other. In case you want to understand more about Yi2 queue extension, you can pause this video and take time to go through this page. Here you get to see the details of how to make use of it, but nevertheless, I'll show you how to make use of it. But before we go further, I want to restructure our code. Now we have basic and advanced here, and I'm sure if you're looking at this tutorial, it means you already have full knowledge of basic and advanced, how to make use of each of them. But in this case, we're going to be removing the advanced, and I'll change this name to extension. So let's go back to our IDE to be sure. So we only have one folder in there, which is extension. So let's try to access that also in our browser. Which is what we have here. So let's remove this code first. It says cookie validation key must be configured with the secret key, which can be done over here. So we'll just input some random secret key here, and I'll refresh our browser. One last thing I want to do before I finish this video is I want to install the Yi extension. So I'll be making use of Composer. So I will copy this over here from require. Note, I'm copying from require over here because I have my Composer installed globally. So I'll be making use of the terminal. I want to check my directory first. We are in tutorials, so we need to move down to extension. Oops. Good. If we check the updates, we are now in extension. So now for you to check if you have extension installed globally, just type in Composer and hit enter. So we have Composer installed globally. So the next thing I'll do now is I'll copy my code again, just to be sure. I'll copy this and paste over here to install. Our queue extension has now been installed, so we'll start coding in our next tutorial.